XRP price shows strength as it recently breached an important hurdle. However, in doing so, it now faces another challenging barrier, which could trigger a correction for the remittance token. Additionally, Ripple enthusiasts need to exercise caution as whales are likely booking profits, which could add a tailwind to the bearish outlook. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Ripple price has been subdued under the declining trend line for roughly 2 months. Every attempt at breaching this trend line failed, but the slow ascent over the last 5 days has overcome this blockade as XRP price inflated by 12. While this move was a bullish development, the remittance token now faces the 374 cents resistance level, which has been a critical support resistance since May 2022. Therefore, investors need to prepare for a pullback. Depending on the market conditions, XRP price could restart its consolidation above the 333 cent support level. But a breakdown of this support floor will likely send Ripple down to the 288 cents barrier. Further adding support to Ripple's bearish outlook is the whale transaction metric that tracks dealings worth $100,000 or more. If this indicator notes a spike after a small uptick in the underlying asset's price, it will indicate that these smart money addresses are booking profits. The same is happening with Ripple after its 12 ascent. The whale transaction count has spiked from 11 to 222, denoting a 20x rise. While things are looking bearish for Ripple price, a flip of 400 cents hurdle on the 4-hour and preferably the 1-day time frame will invalidate the bearish thesis. In such a case, XRP price could attempt a rally to retest the 448 cents resistance level. It has been over a month since CNBC Mad Money host Jim Cramer bashed XRP as a giant con, predicting that it would experience further drops and eventually get to zero. However, at the time of writing, the sentiment surrounding the 6th largest crypto by market cap is significantly positive. In addition, while it did experience an over 20 dip in the aftermath of Cramer's statements, including a 10-flash crash early in the year to 30 cents, the asset has since recouped the majority of these losses, trading near the price at which the TV personality predicted a drop to zero. When Cramer predicted a drop to zero, XRP was trading at the 3,886 cents price point. At press time, XRP is trading at the 0.3772 price point, up 3.27 in the last 24 hours and 8.65 in the last 7 days. Crypto analytics platform Sentiment Feed, in a tweet yesterday highlighting the token's strong performance despite a weak broader market performance at the time, noted that address activity and social dominance have spiked in the past week. Per the shared data, XRP boasts about 136.19 daily active addresses with a social dominance of 1.15. It bears mentioning that strong price performances are not the only ways XRP has bucked overall negative trends this year. As recently reported, XRP investment products received $3 million in institutional inflows in the first week of the year, while other major cryptocurrencies recorded outflows. Recall that XRP is Sentiment's crypto pick of the month, showing solid price action and on-chain metrics. In addition, prominent analyst Greg Crypto has shared analysis indicating that the asset is currently on course to replicate its 2017 bull run with a price target of $80, a whopping $22,902 upside potential. It is worth noting that Cramer has built a reputation for making wrong calls in the crypto and stock markets. As recently highlighted by Income Sharks, the pundit has developed a knack for championing assets while they are making significant gains and have potentially topped out while bashing them when they have declined significantly and potentially bottomed out. Consequently, the TV personality's stance on crypto has often changed, and we have seen him move from a critic to a supporter and back to a critic again. Cramer recently predicted a weak year for crypto. However, Bitcoin has rallied in response, gaining about 8.97 cents. As the cryptocurrency community awaits the final judgment in the Ripple and Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) case, both parties are currently entangled in a tussle regarding sealing certain documents. In this line, defense lawyer James Finlan on January 10 took to Twitter, revealing that the regulator had filed a reply motion regarding Ripple's opposition to sealing documents. Initially, Ripple had filed a motion opposing the SEC's call for sealing certain information on the grounds that the matter has entered the summary judgment stage and that the judicial documents be accessible to the public. Notably, the motions were filed in connection with the parties' cross motions ahead of the summary judgment, whose date is yet to be determined. According to the SEC's opposition, Ripple is seeking to seal over 900 documents completely. The Commission further noted that defendants propose that redactions are appropriate to protect third parties' privacy. Interestingly, the SEC acknowledged that the documents contain sensitive business information, but pointed out that the proposed redactions are very broad to overcome the presumption of public access. However, the SEC objects to defendants' overly broad approach to the redaction of financial information, which seems to entail redacting every mention of a fact or figure that could potentially be deemed financial, because this information goes to the heart of the summary judgment motions, and because defendants have not made a specific showing of competitive or other harm from disclosure of this info. It is worth noting that the sealing of documents has been a source of contention in the case. For instance, the SEC was dealt a blow after the presiding judge overruled the regulator's motion to seal documents related to the speech by a former official. In the documents, the official, William Heinemann, had referred to Ethereum, ETH, as a security. At the moment, both parties have made final submissions with lingering anticipation regarding the possible outcome, with Finlan earlier projecting that the matter might be settled by March. Notably, a section of the Ripple community favored a settlement, although legal experts maintain the case could go either way. As a reminder, SEC is suing Ripple for selling unregistered securities under the XRP token in a sale that raised over $1.03 billion. XRP has been on a bullish run in 2023, trading at 36 cents by press time, with daily gains of over 4s. The weekly shows that XRP is up almost 4. The asset currently controls a market capitalization of $18.42 billion. According to leading cryptocurrency market intelligence platform Sentiment Feed, XRP saw a significant spike in its value yesterday amid a weak, broader market performance. In a tweet yesterday, Sentiment noted that XRP price spiked 6.2 while most cryptocurrencies declined. The massive surge in XRP's value resulted from a spike in address activities in the past 7 days. Sentiment data shows that XRP boasts about 136.19 daily active addresses. XRP network is 6.2 the past 24 hours, while the majority of crypto has declined today. In part, this is due to a major pump in address activity over the past week, Sentiment noted. It bears mentioning that in the past week, XRP trading volume has continued to spike across various trading platforms, including Binance and KuCoin. Earlier this week, XRP ranked as the 5th cryptocurrency with the highest 24-hour trading volume on Binance. Interestingly, cryptocurrency users have continued to show massive interest in XRP. At the time of writing this line, XRP is now the 3rd coin on Binance with the highest volume in the past 24 hours. Binance users have traded an astounding $91.89 worth of XRP in the past day. XRP currently sits behind Bitcoin, etc., and Ethereum, ETH, in terms of crypto assets on Binance with the highest 24 hours volume. Data from cryptocurrency aggregator CoinMarketCap shows an uptick in XRP volume in the past 24 hours. XRP has a 24-hour volume of $1.41, representing an increase of 40.36 from its previous record. Sentiment further noted that XRP's social dominance has contributed to its recent price increase. We have also seen a pattern of big social dominance spikes leading to its XRP price gains, it said. Sentiment data also shows that the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization has a social dominance of 1.15. It is worth noting that XRP is currently one of the most talked about crypto assets on various social media platforms, including Twitter. Crypto enthusiasts are discussing how the outcome of the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC would affect the price of XRP. A Ripple win is expected to bolster the price of XRP. However, a different outcome could cause the crypto asset's value to plummet. Meanwhile, XRP is currently changing hands at 3,745 cents, up 4 cents in the past 24 hours. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency.